This video is a presentation about performing the filler word counter role at an Agora Speakers Club meeting. Note that at some clubs or meetings, this role may be performed by the grammarian. We describe some examples of filler words and the duties that the filler word counter is required to perform. The filler word counter role is at a difficulty level at the basic level. It requires 10 to 15 minutes of preparation time, and the filler word counter speaks for 3 to 6 minutes during the meeting, and this role is evaluated by the meeting evaluator. Filler words are those words, sounds, or gestures that add no meaning to the speech. They decrease the effectiveness, can cause distraction, and if used excessively, can decrease the credibility of the speaker. Let us now review some examples of common filler words. Repetitive use of words such as so, you know, I mean, okay, like, basically, right, well, I mean, can become very distracting. Some of the most common filler words are and which are often used when we're thinking about what to say next. It often is best to pause instead of using this type of word. Repetitions can also be distracting, such as saying the word said twice, as in, and then he said, what are you doing here? Long vowels, such as, I will shut down agencies A, B, and C. We often lengthen words such as and when we're trying to remember what we want to say next. Tongue clicks or other similar sounds like can also be distracting. Excessively long silences or pauses can make the audience wonder what's happening. Did the speaker finish or lose track of what they wanted to say? Repetitive gestures, such as constantly nodding your head or adjusting one's tie or watch, can draw the audience's attention away from what the speaker is saying. Also note that speakers of different languages use different filler words, and also some speakers develop their own set of personal filler words. Your role as filler word counter is to listen carefully to all speakers during the meeting and record all instances in which a filler word is used, as well as what kind of filler word it was and who used it. At the beginning of the meeting, you will be asked by the meeting leader to explain your role. Try to explain not only what you will be doing, but why having filler words when speaking is bad. For example, when a person is speaking, many filler words being used can distract the audience's attention from what is being said. At the end of the meeting, you will be asked to report the results of the filler words you noted. In some clubs and meetings, the filler word counter and the grammarian is done together as one role. Thank you for your interest in learning more about the role of the filler word counter in Agora Speakers International. You can find more information about the filler word counter in the Agora Speakers International site found at the link below on the screen or in the description below this video. Participating in meeting roles, such as the filler word counter, is a great way to improve your communication and leadership skills. Our mission statement is that Agora empowers you to become a brilliant communicator and a confident leader who will actively build a better world. We wish you all the success as you continue your journey with Agora Speakers International.